All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So I got some cases in for the iPhone 11, one for me and the wife. So I've got over here, this is the Stone Explorer black case, Aztec Gold, that's this. And you have the Real Wood Burl, and it's another Explorer black case, so with the wood back. So we're gonna pop these on. I'm just gonna do one of them real quick and show you. This company is Cover Up, and this is really nice. I really appreciate them sponsoring this video. This is the way the cases will come to you. Just so you know, these are made to order. So whatever you get on the website and pick, they'll place an order for you and get them made. And that lets you know some authenticity for you. So this is how the cases look. It's real wood. If you're gonna wonder if this should work with wireless charging, it should. One thing I like already about these cases is the grip. Wow, there's a lot of grip on this case right here. I gotta start using my iPhone. It's SIM card number 1 again. Yeah. Now, but I will be testing these cases out though full time. So lots of grip on the side here. I'll put it on the iPhone in just a second. Then you got your volume rocker and a little cutout for the vibrate and mute switch there. You got your cutout for your camera, and the power button is covered, and then all ports on the bottom. Now, one thing off the rip, I think I would have liked to see on this case is you see how it's matte along this entire back portion here. I would have liked to just see them carry that over into the front. But nonetheless, here we are. Case goes on easy. So you have a little bit of lip protection. So if you have a tempered glass or something like that, you'll be able to, it'll work just fine. On her iPhone here, she's got a matte screen protector. So you can kind of see it's giving you some protection. Lots of lip protection all the way around though. Not a lot, but you know, enough to get it to where you can lay it down flat if you didn't have a screen protector on it. So I'll put this one on mine. Let me just show you what this looks like here. Again, that same carryover, I wish they would have done a little bit better by putting it matte all the way around, but that's just personal choice right there. So again, these are made to order. Ultimately what these are just cases with this inlay right here from what I can tell, and it's the real material. So this one actually looks like it's kind of bubbling a little bit. Oh, it's kind of, oh, it's got like a texture on there. Okay, yeah. Real wood, real stone. But there they are, man. This is really nice. They should work with wireless charging as well. And then there you have it. It's your man Jay with Cover Up is the company. 30 bucks a piece pretty much for these cases. And remember, they're made to order. So if you do decide to place your order, you'll see what's down below. So there you go. Quick video for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.